Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl ChrissyK. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and welcome to my channel. When I got home, I took a nap and then I knew I had to take my cousins to the fair. We were really supposed to go yesterday, but some little things happened, so we weren't able to go. So today I'm bringing the kitties. Well, let me stop, y'all. I want to go to the fair too, so let me stop saying the kitties. I want to go to the fair, so we're going to the fair today, me, my little brother, and my cousins. And I had to just put on some light makeup real quick just to go. Nothing too crazy. I have on this blue bag. I don't know if y'all can see my dunks and like the Target sweatpants. If y'all haven't got those sweatpants yet, go get them. And then this top is from Target too. My whole outfit is from Target. Then I put on this jeans jacket, something chill. The weather is kind of windy right now because there is supposed to be a storm coming, but the storm isn't hitting until like Thursday. So I'm like, y'all, we better go use these tickets real quick before we can't even use them no more because of this Category 1 hurricane is coming. Even though hurricanes really never come to Jacksonville, it's like some way somehow we're always blessed because they never really come, but still things get shut down. So we want to make sure we use our tickets. So we're about to go to the fair, but I just want to check in with y'all, let y'all know what I'm doing.
In this mansion, I'm a Macaulay Culkin, paid in full, I'm a pie fight. Know you're tired, we just did dinner for 3 hours, lying to me all night.
I don't know what it is in there because I'm so
on a team chain, seem like they made me money for coffins. Cuban girl, a fan of grind coffee. Text me on the signal, don't call me. Major distribution labels call me. Bad Bunny numbers, this a robbery. 500 million just for Aubrey.
Oh my God, what's
This topic, same place you sing a bitch, you shopping.
Get ready with me. Nursing School Edition virtual. I'm so freaking happy right now. The gods have aligned. They made school virtual because of the storm hitting Florida. Bad thing for Florida, good thing for me because I get to stay home. I don't have to drive. Y'all, I put this lip mask on like about two to three times of the day. All right, y'all, it's time to go on my bed and get on virtual clinical. Y'all, I'm so happy right now. We're doing WebEx. No, usually our other classes we do Teams, but I guess this lady, she didn't have like her team set up, so we have to do WebEx. So let's go to class.
Signs and symptoms. Then nursing interventions. And you will do nursing considerations on patient education.
Y'all, so my teacher gave us like a little break, so I am about to eat the rest of my kava from yesterday. Y'all, I went to kava. I was so freaking happy. I know I can't like overdo it and do it every day, but like probably once a week I can do kava. I didn't even eat last night because I don't know why. Oh, I was editing a YouTube video and I didn't even get to finish because I had to turn in an assignment, so I was pretty mad about that. So my video is going to come out today and not how it was supposed to come out, usually on Wednesdays. I'm not changing my scheduling as far as videos, but a lot was going on this week, so it's coming out on Thursday, which is today. But yeah, so I'm about to eat the rest of this kava, take my little break, probably take a nap, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all later.
Did you want the veggie plate?
It's rice and peas in it.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no money to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? The man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Hit around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go. Yeah. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or lay it.
Alright, you guys, so I just finished studying, and honestly, I don't know how to feel about this exam. I just hope and pray that I get the grade that I need. I've been studying for the past like week or two. I'm really hoping for the best, but I'm gonna stop studying right now because I really need to get some type of rest. I have to wake up in about 6 hours, so I think it's time for me to go to bed. So I'm gonna just talk to you guys when I wake up tomorrow. Morning, y'all. It's test day, and I'm nervous out of my freaking mind. As y'all saw last night from the last clip, I stayed up all freaking night studying, and I'm exhausted. But I had to, because I need to make sure I get an A on this exam. Y'all saw my last video how I was talking about how I got a 78 on my exam. This is the same class, so I really need to get an A. Like, y'all, I'm so freaking nervous because it's like we have another exam after this 2 weeks from now, which is like ATI for pharmacology. And listen, y'all know pharmacology, I failed it. Well, I didn't really fail it, I withdrew from it. So the second time around I passed it, but I thought I got past pharmacology. Like, I was not trying to do that all over again. So now I have to get past ATI. Like, I'm just like, and the thing about it is, it's like if I don't get the level that I'm supposed to get on ATI, like, I could possibly fail the class. So I need to get the highest grade I can on my actual exams for the class, because our ATI scores, so let's just say I got like a level 1, that would be a 45% in the grade book, which would drop my grade down like so bad. So I need to have that cushion or whatever, so that even if I do get a low grade, I can still pass the class, because I'm not trying to fail no class. Like, failing a class right now means I'm staying in school for another semester, and I'm just not doing it. I'm not doing it. But luckily for me though, I feel pretty confident. You know, I'm still nervous because it's like you just never know what's gonna be on there, but I do feel confident, so that's a good thing. I know y'all like, I'm so tired of seeing this girl with these freaking braids. She need to take these braids out. But y'all, I've been so stressed out about this freaking exam. I have not been able to even think about my appearance, okay? After this exam, I can finally get my hair done and stuff like that. When I get back home today, I'm gonna let you guys know how I felt about the exam. After this exam, I will truly be able to like be more free to like focus on myself a little bit, so I'm happy about that. Now I'm just really getting myself together to leave. I put some hash browns. Y'all, hash browns have been like my favorite thing to eat lately. And then probably some tea, take my vitamins, because I've been on my vitamins every day type of tea. Y'all, I'm getting grown. I'll be taking vitamins. I'm like, what? Y'all, I'm about to finish getting ready, eat some breakfast, and head to my exam. Y'all wish me luck. After my exam, I'm going to work for like a couple hours or whatever. But after I get home, I'm going to check in with y'all and let y'all know how I feel about this exam. And let's open up some packages, because I love gifts. I love gifts. I love gifts. Alright, you guys, so I finally made it home, and as promised, I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about my exam. So overall, the exam wasn't bad. I feel like I passed. But one of the things I really don't like that teachers do is like they'll put something in their PowerPoint, but then like on the exam they will put like words that are more I can't figure out the word, but for example, on the exam, my teacher, instead of putting the stool can have fat inside of it, she put storia. Like, if you don't put storia on your PowerPoint, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but how are we supposed to know this is what it is? Like, it's really aggravating. I get it, they want us to like read the book, but it's like, if you're gonna have a PowerPoint, put it on the PowerPoint. Overall, I really feel like I passed the exam. I feel like I feel more confident than I did the last exam, which is great. And now I just gotta get past ATI pharmacology, and I have to get past what is it called, the final exam. So y'all wish me luck. You know I'm gonna keep you updated. I find out my grade on Friday, so I have a couple of days until I find out my grade, so you guys will find out what my grade is in the next vlog, of course. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you guys some of these packages that I have. Some of them were sent to me and some are packages that I ordered myself. So I'm going to start with the smallest and get to the largest packages. Okay, so this was sent to me by Topical Skin brand. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this brand, but look at this packaging, y'all. It's so freaking cute. It says you make skin look good. I kind of wish I would have gotten the face wash because the face wash is pretty popular, but I feel like I have so many different face washes. I was like, listen, I gotta figure something else out. But they give you like this little pamphlet. This is how it looks on the front, and then on the inside it's just like giving you a little bit of information about them, how to contact them, stuff like that. I think this is a black owned skincare brand, but I gotta do my research. I'm not quite sure, but I believe they are. So first I got the hydrating mask. Y'all, I love masks. The tube, it looks like as if it were a cream. It's just a little bit different, but I still like it that it's a tube or whatever. And next I got a brightening clearing serum. Again, I think this is a tube, a little bit different from like the other serums that you're used to getting, but I'm gonna be trying both of these products just to see what they're about. It has a zeliac acid. See, these are some different things I've never heard of. Moving on, so I got this package from Icy Hair. This is something that I ordered myself. So I ordered this off of Amazon. I will be putting the link to this wig in the next video, not this video. I got a 28-inch wig, Brazilian body wave, and y'all, I already looked at the wig, this one, but I'm gonna just show y'all what it looks like. Hold on, I'm not gonna take it out of the package. I'm gonna save it for the next video, but so full, 250% density. Like, y'all, Amazon, the gold. Next I got this package. I don't remember where I got this package from. Hold on, let me open it. Oh, this is cute. So I want to say this came from, okay, Merit Cosmetics. Have a good summer. Okay, so y'all, I've had this package for a while. They've been sent this to me and I never opened it. It was just like a PR package that they sent. So they sent it in this little cute bag satchel thing. Just pretty cute. I can see myself putting my makeup in this when I'm traveling. But yeah, they sent this Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. This is the packaging. Super cute. It has 4 types of hyaluronic acid, caffeine rich seed extract, Japanese gold thread. Okay, pH balanced for healthy skin barrier. They might be onto something, y'all. Okay, so I don't really quite know what this is supposed to do. I mean, the packaging is really cute on this, super cute, but I don't know what this is for. Shake well, massage 2 to 3 pumps onto skin before or after moisturizing in the morning or twice a day. Let me see. I don't know if I'm gonna be using this, y'all. I guess it's just so water-based. I don't like that. And it doesn't smell like anything. Moving on to the last package. Another package from Amazon, of course. This was something I ordered. I needed this product and I've been needing it for a while. I bought a new blow dryer and it's pink. It's so freaking cute. I needed it because my old one broke and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna actually get a nice blow dryer. So this blow dryer is called Fun 10, I want to say. 1800 watt smart intelligent thermostat hair dryer, baby pink color, especially created for your dream girl. Cute. 3 kinds of accessories. So these are the accessories that they have. I definitely needed this one for sure. The diffuser, I don't really do wash and goes on my hair anymore, but it's always good to have. And then it came with the piece that you add onto the blow dryer when you're trying to like concentrate on a certain area of your hair. So yeah, this is super cute. Let me open the package, see how it looks on the inside. Ooh. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is the perfect pink. Y'all, cute. Let me like focus it on the camera so you guys can really see. It's like a baby pink. So cute. I'm so glad I got this color. I'm so glad. I knew it. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at it. It's so pretty. This blow dryer is so freaking cute. I can't wait to blow dry my hair, y'all. I have to blow dry my hair before I get my hair done. But yes, you guys, this is so freaking cute. And so you just attach the piece like this. So cute. So cute. And then you adjust the settings. But y'all will see how it works when I blow dry my hair out in the next vlog, because I need to get my hair done, of course. This is super cute. And then it comes with this pink baggie. So cute. So I don't have to keep the box. Don't plan on it. So I'm gonna be, you know, putting the link for this blow dryer. It's gonna be on my Amazon storefront, so you guys can purchase this blow dryer. It's super cute, and I think it was less than $30, so get you one. But anyways, you guys, this is going to be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for continuing to watch me on this journey that I'm on right now, because it is getting very hectic. I'm almost to the end of the road. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.